Hi, if you want to enable or disable NFC on your Google Pixel Watch free, then firstly just swipe down right from the watch face to open your quick settings and tap settings icon. Now, right the first tab we can see is connectivity, so pick it and then scroll a bit down and now you can find NFC. If you want to enable it and use for contactless payments, then tap on the switcher and it will light up green. And then you can go in Tap and Pay and set your default payment app. But in my case, it is just Google Pay, so it is set here by default. To disable NFC, just tap on the switcher so it will be gray. And once enabled, you can make contactless payments. So that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.